Information sharing. Ideas are shared in many ways for many reasons. Learn how and why, and stay informed. Get ready to see how information is shared. Explore the pros and cons of different mediums. Uncover the secrets of propaganda techniques. At the end of this lesson, you will complete a multiple-choice quiz on information sharing. The flow of information. Information can be shared in many ways. It can be arranged for different audiences and manipulated for different purposes. Let's look at an example. Some teen scientists in your town are experimenting with water for a science fair project. They discover a way to treat the city's water so it's purer and helps clean your teeth. They want to disseminate this important health information to the community. First, they have to decide which medium to use to share their discovery. Disseminate means to spread information. Medium is used as a method of communicating ideas. Information sharing. Text, audio, video, graphics, static multimedia, dynamic multimedia, summary. Text. Newspaper article, formal report. The pro. Writers share in-depth information in a text to fully explain their ideas. People can reread to review details. The con of this is people may take time to read lengthy explanations. Lack of audio and video clues can lead to misinterpretation of statements. Audio. Information that's shared in a radio broadcast or a podcast. A new water discovery is making quite a splash. The pro. Speakers can use vocal inflection to show passion and build excitement. A change in the tone of your voice. The con, there are no visuals. It can be dull if speakers just read a report. Sharing in a video, television commercial, or TV news segment. A new water discovery is making quite a splash. The pro. Presenters use sights, sounds, and motion to build interest. It can be very engaging and informative to viewers. The con is that it takes more time and money to create. Presenters cannot guarantee people will watch. Graphics. Graphs, charts, maps. Water discovery makes a splash. The pro of using graphics. They can simplify complex ideas into easy-to-view chunks. Colors and shapes can present information clearly and attractively. Con. Poorly designed graphics can be confusing. Graphics provide the big picture but can lack detail. Information sharing using static multimedia, like posters or billboards. Water discovery makes a splash. Your future is about to get brighter. The pro. Designers combine written words and images. They can create a short, memorable message. The con of static multimedia is that people pass by quickly. Designers cannot include much detail. Information must be condensed to grab attention. Dynamic multimedia, PowerPoint presentations, and websites. The pro is that designers can combine text, images, and sounds. The format can engage multiple types of learners. It can include virtually unlimited information. The con is that the audience must seek out the information. The format can distract from the message if it's too flashy or too outdated. In summary, you have seen that information may be shared in several different mediums. Each has its own pros and cons. It is wise to share ideas through several different mediums rather than just one. This ensures that your message reaches the widest possible audience. Propaganda. Tricks that convince. Let's continue with those teen scientists. Using a variety of mediums, they flood the town with information about their water discovery. It has now come to a vote. Amendment H2O is on the ballot. The scientists need a yes vote in order to build a new water treatment center. They continue to share ideas, but their focus has changed. They are now trying to get people to vote. They begin to use propaganda. Propaganda is information designed to change opinions. It targets your emotions. It attempts to convince you to do or believe something new. The activity below features several ads supporting Amendment H2O. Each uses a different propaganda technique. Select each tab to see propaganda techniques. Then select Why It Works to see how the ad tries to trick you, and select What to Ask to reveal questions to help you sort out the facts. Bandwagon. An advertisement tries to get you to go with the crowd. It says, quote, everyone else is doing it, you should too. Why it works. You don't want to be left out. You want to be part of the winning team. What should you ask? Do they really know what my friends and neighbors want? Is what is right for my neighbors actually right for me? Your friends and neighbors know what's right. We're going to vote yes. How about you? Vote yes on Amendment H2O. The next propaganda technique is card stacking. An advertisement stacks the deck in favor of one side. It tells you why something's good. It doesn't mention the bad side. Amendment H2O, yes, more jobs, whiter teeth, healthier families. What have you got to lose? Why this works. You get one side of the story, and the facts are overwhelming. What to ask? All this may be true, but what are they not telling me? Facts and stats, propaganda technique number 3. An advertisement uses factual information and objective numbers to convince you of what is right. Numbers don't lie. Create 1,000 new jobs. Produce water 75% more pure. 4 out of 5 doctors plan to vote yes. Amendment H2O, the 100% right thing to do. Why it works. It's hard to argue with facts. The statistics can be persuasive. What should you ask? Who gathered these statistics? Can they be trusted? What are they not telling me? Why did one doctor oppose? Fear. An advertisement suggests that a particular choice or action could lead to something terrible. Why should I vote for Amendment H2O? I can't afford not to. Increase jobs, reduce cavities, vote yes. Why it works. You don't want to regret ignoring a warning. You think, I better do this or I'm going to be sorry. But what should you ask? Where's the proof that these things are going to happen? Aren't there risks if I do the opposite too? Glittering generalities. An advertisement uses glittering generalities to create positive emotions. You feel good without questioning the facts. Fresher, purer, perfect. Fall in love with water for the first time. Break free from H2 old. Celebrate a new day. Vote yes. Why this works. Words like fresh, pure, perfect sound great. Words like love and freedom have a powerful impact. You fill in your own definitions when you hear them. What should you ask? Are they telling me anything at all? Why is it fresher and purer? What is it fresher than purer than? How is it perfect? Do love and freedom mean the same thing to me as to them? Plain folks propaganda. An advertisement makes an idea seem perfect for the common person. It suggests that ordinary people will benefit from it. Amendment H2O, it's the right choice for them. It's the right choice for you. Why it works. The idea seems right for the common person. You think, wow, that person could be my father, sister, child, etc. You want to do what's right for people just like you. But what should you ask? What proof have they given to show that this is right for the common person? Aren't there common people who feel the opposite way too? Testimonial propaganda. An important or famous person endorses an idea, recommends or approves. This idea rocks. H2O, yeah. Why it works. It makes you want to agree so you can be like the person you admire. What should you ask? Is this person being paid to say this? What does this person really know about the situation? Can I like this person and still disagree? Transfer propaganda. An advertisement wants you to feel the same way about one thing as you do about another. It shows positive images alongside an idea or product they want to sell to you. In this way, you will associate the positive emotions with the idea or product. An example, look at the American flag behind that Amendment H2O yes. The American flag is a symbol for freedom. It might show negative images, though, like a competitor, a dead flower to represent something destructive. Why this works? The good feelings you get from the images transfer to the product. If there are bad images, you connect them with the competition. So in this case, the amendment H2O is a good thing because being part of America and freedom and happiness in the mountains, it's a serene feeling, then you associate those two things together. But you should ask things like, what does this image actually have to do with what they're trying to convince me to do? Are they really telling me anything helpful? Final points about propaganda. Propaganda may be positive or negative. It all depends on the reasons behind it. An animal shelter might use sad or cute photos to persuade you to adopt a pet. A political candidate may distort facts to make an opponent look bad. In all cases, it's important for you to look carefully to see how you are being manipulated. Next time you want to share information, you will understand the pros and cons of the different mediums you can use. You will also understand how to use propaganda and how others use propaganda to try to manipulate you. Be aware. Information sharing, different mediums, and propaganda techniques. Mediums like text, audio, video, graphics, static multimedia, and dynamic multimedia. Propaganda techniques, bandwagon, card stacking, facts and stats, fear, glittering generalities, plain folks, testimonial, and transfer.